In this video, I'll be showing you how to create and send invoice on PayPal. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything you're using, whether you're on a laptop, PC, or anything like that. So all you want to do is just go over to your PayPal, just make sure you're logged in. Now what you want to do is go over to create an invoice, which is going to be on the top right. And then it's going to look something like this. At this point, you're going to be able to have a customer name or email address. You can show the amount, quantity, or hours, depending on what you want. And you can do like notes for the invoice as well, if you ever need to. From here, you can even change the name of the invoice, add a discount if you want to. Maybe you're doing a promotional offer for your services, a postage and packaging if it's a physical item, and an other amount. You can also allow a partial amount or a tip if you want to as well. And then once you have it all set up, all you got to do is press send, and then you'll be good to go. If you want to preview it before you send it, you can also do that too. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.